Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to run you through the steps on how you can actually create a post over on Twitter, or now called X. So in order to actually create a post, all you need to do is open the app just like this, and once you've done that you will most likely be either at the following page or the For You page. Then in order to actually create a post, what you simply need to do is go to the bottom right corner of the screen and click on that massive blue button right here, which with a plus sign or icon in it basically. And then what you need to do is simply type in whatever you want. So for example test, you can type in literally whatever you want. And once you've done that you can add a photo just like this and clicking on add. And you also have some other options such as adding a location, you can add a GIF as well, and you can even add a voice note. Once you have done that, you can also add and you can also tag someone. So what you can do is click right here and you will be able to tag anyone you want, and literally that's basically all you need to do. Now all you need to do is click on post right here and your Twitter post will basically be posted. What you can also do is make a thread by simply click on this plus right here, and then you will be making a thread, but that's basically just for more advanced Twitter users. But yeah, once you've done that, just click on post and your Twitter post should be posted within the next few seconds. Alright, so now that you have posted your post, what you can do is simply share it around to anyone you want by basically clicking on the share button right here. And yeah, that's basically all you need to do to create a Twitter post over on Twitter, or now called X. If you learned something from this video, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.